So I've leaned down quite a bit, you know, and we're training chest today. So Johnny John, we're like 27, 26 weeks out right now. We're about to get fucking shredded. About to get shredded, bro. Like Jeff Side. I'm fat right now. But you know what I look like when I'm shredded. About a lot of new size on. And of course we got old school training in the background. Black coffee. Getting out of here. There's my dog. Yeah. About to fill up this carnivore in this. So yeah, we'll be training with old Keaton today.
Fuck you, Osama.
I'm about to do some bench. Yeah, you guys better subscribe. You know what I mean? But yeah, here I am, just doing warm up at 225. I do a set of 135 and I just feel it out, really, you know, try to get blood flow in there, don't hurt myself. This is my working set, 275. You know, I tell them not to touch the bar, but we used to train like that, and some of you guys didn't like that. Yeah, 275. Wasn't my best chest day. I've gotten like 5 sets of 6 reps with 275, and here I'm struggling a little bit. Probably due to like dehydration. But yeah, this is what you get. I think this is the one I messed up on. My right felt, yeah. When I focus on training chest, I just focus on, you know, keeping the bar path at one place, really contracting it. Try to have great form. Oh yeah, this is am I right? Kind of gave up. Alright, so I'm gonna do 225 as many reps. So here I do 225 as many as I could, but I've gotten 13 reps with it before. And you know, my chest is a pretty big weak point for me. My legs are a very strong point for me, and I don't know. This is you know, not bad for considering 6 months ago I was doing 225 for only sets of 6, and now I'm doing that with 275. I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, gaining 60 pounds in 6 months, you know, pretty crazy. Here I am doing the dumbbell presses, 105, a few reps. I did 3 sets of this, only recorded 2. I try to really bring it down low. I want to feel that stretch in my chest and yeah, you see what I'm wearing. I try to keep warm in the gym. It's good to keep you psyched out, but this workout I take it off a little early, just for, you know, recording purposes. It's my friend Keaton. You know, we were training partners, and you know, he's gonna diet down with me. Excuse me. Here I am being stupid trying. Not right now. Trying to get these sets done. You really do talking about my stretch marks. My stretch marks are ridiculous. I gained fucking 60 pounds in 6 months. Alright, this is me doing incline. I really bring it low, try to contract it. 3 sets. It's pretty hard to go, you know, from doing flat bench, flat dumbbell, to doing these, you know. I feel really fatigued when I do that. So my plans on bodybuilding, a lot of people are telling me, you know, I could be pretty sick if I just slow down and stop trying to get into shows and just make my upper body match my lower body. But you know, the truth is, my upper body has grown tremendously, and I don't think I could really be touched by many teens on stage that are natural. Yeah, I took my hand. So we'll see what happens. If I do compete, it's going to be OCB Spirit of America. There's a lot of team competitors. There's some Yankees. It'll be fun. This set I really gassed out. And here we do drop sets on the hammer strength. I really like this exercise. It really gets you a lot of good pumping in. There's 3 plates. I think I did this 20 reps. Whatever that would be, 15 minus 45. I just kicked it into overdrive and that was real. Alright, so we jump them off. We dump the plates off quick. How many reps I do? I mean, it's like 20 more left. So with the 2 plates and 1 plate, you're just blowing it up. The real work was after 3 plates though.
Now you just squeeze it here. Except you only do like 8 reps when you do that. Makes you feel so heat.
It's really hard to do actually on that weight. Here we are doing another set. I was pretty gassed out on this. Here I asked him to help me out a little bit. Get a full range of motion. Dump him. Feeling it out. He's feeling his pump. Here we go. This is my favorite exercise on chest. You just feel that all your muscle fibers just stretch, and it's amazing. This is awesome. You really just feel it out at the bottom. Hold it there. Doing cable flies. I think this is like 70 pounds. Drop the weight. Go to 40 pounds and feel that. Contracted. A lot of people do, you know, these with the handles on the bottom tables. That doesn't work for me. This is where it is. You guys looking at me. I don't care. Just
push as flies, really feeling it out, going heavy, and then finishing up with some lightweight.
My legs are keeping some size, man. You know, I haven't been squatting because I hurt my, I don't know what it is. It's my hamstring, it's my hip something, my hip flexor, whatever. But either way, I'm hopefully going to New York to get it looked at. Dropping weight. But yeah, I really want to be back squatting soon. It's pretty good pressing it out because that's just my forte. French word I want to use. Spanish, I don't know. Fuerte. Just doing some better. Feeling it out. That's a 60-pound difference in those photos. I think this is definitely a strong pose for me. I know I might look chubby right now, but I definitely know how to get shredded. I think that's pretty apparent if you have been watching my channel. Back pose. You know, I've gained a lot of thickness in there. See that ass sweat? Oh. Alright, I don't have a Christmas tree. That was stupid.
I just don't hold much fat on my back.
But I don't hold much fat on my back.
Push my back like it's genetic, you know what I'm saying? On one side.
I try to do a stomach vacuum. Well, I know how to do it. It just looks stupid how fat I am right now. I'm pretty fat, but I'm definitely happy.
26 weeks out. Thanks for Keaton for the spots and motivation. Look at that tricep. Damn.
Alright, see you guys. Subscribe.